And to back here last week Saturday, there was a boxing bout between Freezy MacBones, our ya something, anywhere Wordwide Teteh Jonathan. I want to see a Ghana just a crane in Knani. Emma at the end of the day, then go behind him say a Freezy and a winner, but ye declare winner no. Ye recommend Jonathan Teteh. Emma media and so there, the whole other controversies and a buy. Now finally, Freezy Abekasa as well as say or car. Jonathan Teteh and I say one canon. Freezy and Kasa Abetron Mutu. Me want to watch the word ama me. Ewo comment section. Hi Penyah block media. Mess was any day. Obe like this video, not that one. Put subscribe button, some like notification icon of latest updates. Now better the word join the mama. Ewo comment section. So baswa. No actually first enya biashe. It was Saturday. Anna Mahama Basharaf Mahama organize another boxing event. Kobekaya. The first one organized the Anthony Joshua Cry if US by to na say if UK want them to UK and US yeah whatever it is ordinary free one of those advanced countries eba Ghana hanmo any ade the that program nice how can na be kaya adum chedua so anu chedua the boxer the boda and doesn't cry I see we was throw yen kalekas me kaklebi now Saturday came here no Anna Mahama no say organize this same boxing bout now it was between Asante no and Gafo no Akwaba versus Obake. I say nipa kwa wo gina mu amasande for Akwaba for heavyweight champion Freezy MacBones anafe enkanini so no Wordwide Teteh Jonathan ema omu ne ntokwan shares na wusua nyamianim ne kuranie akuturkunu de Freezy kire se onmubo ankasa obo Wordwide Teteh fenfenam Emma at the end of the day, nanko bi ani mu say, entokwane de Freezy ana awene. But ye declare win no. Ye the win no Emma, winner no Emma. Wordwide Teteh. Ese ade ya Freezy eka. Freezy eka no. Cause of Freezy eka no so there wasn't any bite. Ye hu bite bia ye hu trace bia chese bibi kura ho no mo. Obi apantan ene da wo ha. Ye de apantan na eka na say now no Freezy wanya sen wona ha. Chese na bia bibia ho no mo ma medians bi mi alaje say da bi ade na course no de nyamianum ne kreni the organizers and the judges no o ma wi asande for no o ma wi Freezy pa o ma wi no
Charlie nyama e course organ ha no emboy yesterday worldwide any Freezy MacBone to on mo we should fight in na em fan say first 2 rounds there metumi aka say worldwide e bon hu modern worldwide ejuma no but from 3 rounds na court away no massacre Freezy bubu akwa no rough obubo no rough oye no ejuma but last mode winner no akoma worldwide all because of worldwide actually dive here allow say Freezy MacBone akan ha say omo hage no na Freezy MacBone ano no ewo worldwide ha say na worldwide said I say as what can but there's no VAR into manko check it and who say can ana say then and no mate Freezy MacBone omutin point no so intina mo say we win all because of the cheat the thing is cheat cause worldwide mafia kwa no ototo form nyina and a boxing so the bone out for my so Freezy said money last would be win and come worldwide all because of them worldwide if mass area ho baby and a Freezy MacBone so I will Accra home into favor na corner side and I said then I'm a patch well like how and yet fine so Freezy big up to you you win the fight. We the supporters, we know say you win the fight. And I ever share you who say we win BBR. Why you demanding na? But last, I'm far when I'm out. Freezy, don't worry. Rematch. Say ban say about rematch. And fans spare no. From first round to second round, all the rounds, if you do the job, easy. And money bemba or cry, money change so. Jack, don't make it yourself. Just Charlie, me feel am. Don't feel bad. As she say you dey cry, don't cry, boy. It's normal. It's normal. It's normal. Don't cry. Don't cry because Freezy, the people with them get strong pass that worldwide self, you beat them. No be worldwide. So bro, you know what you can do. So Charlie, just keep it like this, okay?
Banya hwe. Wordwide Teteh ena win ye ba de bi akọ ne video e ye wodo ankasa. On Nigeria hinche no, but enipa bi kọ ne video mu e ye ono ankasa. Edu he tactics na Wordwide Teteh eyisi de win ye na. That same tactics ana Aite Powers eyisi ye in one of his matches.
To kwadro sen na oba boxing mu ana so be boxer no. Na dia hin na say ulusu ya na say meka say ye bo ana dia hin na say e di impact bro.
If I would tag me and Break Caparello in Australia, okay. Yeah, that fight is not my weight. Okay. You understand me? The person is heavy more than me. But because of the money, oh yeah, I saw Break Caparello. I can see this guy is heavyweight complete. You understand me? I see it's heavyweight, but if I said I'm not fighting, then no money. So I have to take it like that. That's the fight. The money they will give you, you will receive the same. Okay. So me and Break Caparello, no, I don't force myself and finish all the 12 rounds. Yeah, we are fighting, just not punch, and I fall down. The referee come and say, Mr. Powers, this punch don't touch you, wake up. And I said, Mr. Referee, you touch me. Okay. Yeah, because am I coming to die in Australia? Okay. No. Mommy, they will give you a punch. You will see some stars, small in your face, plenty. I have a fight with this guy, Serrenda. Okay. Serrenda, and Serrenda give me a punch. I fall down. I see Serrenda like 6. The one person I see him like 6. The referee who is in the ring too, I see him like 10. Then my face is going like this. The time I'm okay, the referee said, "Oh, the fight is off." I said, "Why? I will fight." I go, "Oh, they finished you long time." Boxing. Hey, sir, be a boxer. No free about Chiba, no Tascan, no Mount Manundi. Hey, my wife said I should stop. So your wife said I should stop. Gladys, she said, "Oh, I should stop the fight." So as I'm talking, I'm promoting the boxes. Okay. Yeah, because I love it. And once.
What is it? Because James said there was a match between Ono and some Negaba be. I'm more said that Negaba is throw to the punches now, or to Negaba to the Trade Mana, or really po who would 10-10, then it's so what they 10-10. It did not was there. Oh, is it tactics be? And yes, our corner couldn't was stage. And it's our tactics, maybe. And I read what that issue here. There's a issue I didn't know. Emma, Freezy MacBones, I will say one more. So you did declare that we're in any other day. And then when you said you better be free, Freezy are not because media so be a kind of be so a card, a bit one cannot, and who he has on one cast, I bet you, and run. And you go PMO on Odiama achieve with Captain Kojo Smart, the honor, Edward is the same way at Tuja.
Me person be sir Freezy. My first question. Mike Tyson or GD Papa or Cowbiaso or ring him. Yeah. Yet it's a car.
Teteh.
Teteh. I'm a car. One canoe. One canoe.
Man, Teteh.
It is a bar, but to say, yes, what canoe is when you shoot.
I think say impulse reaction from the judges because you know many videos in the many different angles of the video, and I can tell you say
one cannot.
So when a clear angles now say initially judges you cannot blame them because that is the angular the decision or would take here in deducting the points. But say when you have opportunity as a video you be more from a different angle.
Okay.
And a different view of it. I think at the last time I Sunday the other one ubenya baby ana Freezy another ne when I think say obie na no because he wanted to breathe. But then that is how the judges know. Because the moment or clinching the moment now as a clinching no he needed a space or waiting breathe because I said be abamu. It so be one no the home. It will be no the home no. The angle no ebe show say or cano. And I think Teteh was smart. Say or take advantage, and that is part of boxing. You need to be smart in the ring, and smart, and they took advantage of.
Okay,
but
so,
Freezy, to be fair,
it's a boxing. Would you need VAR?
There be VAR behind the boxing.
Freezy, tell us
what
did
exactly?
You see?
What
happened?
No, obviously, Patronea, you say a run say. I think it's around 6 or so 8. I can't remember, but the me when he say Teteh no wabre e was say round or no. Na so bresa he na oba be lose fight no. What you say? So e say ofa kwan bi te say dey wo kan na obenya say point ni dey win. Ka dey man ka no. You know, man ka Teteh, but obviously ade na share num kra no e be dey say ubetimi dey aka obi dey ba. Enye te say dey Teteh se makana said you sit down ho to form as a sebio will be a bonitu se meka okra na sa manya sada no what you say man cano what you say but yet to say the menu ka say a smart way be ono so be fa so no so be wia some point be and I was shocked say I know say Teteh one take tree and I know say one take brofo e ho odin kakra e ma no. So in the ring name no, the referee was speaking gun to Teteh. What I say? Then he get up. The referee no call Teteh corner side. Minimum small kind. He came back and he hold my hand and they took point from me. And I found it so obvious. Say about to win an econo. About to men can say a more deeper. Technically, many will be a tribal, racist, and this and no. Yeah, in fact, mass sports. Yeah, sports is sports. Sports is a whole thing, right? Tribal, but I'm proud of where I'm coming from, right? I'm proud of Asante. Some years certainly, I'm very, very proud. And say be a who say be a Michelle, Kumasi atadi be an asa bibisa and asa Michelle Asante atadi. I'm not trying to say be a racist and asa bibisa. Name mum. Did
you think, sir? Because it be a who exhibit your Ashanteism wohono and then ma it be a nipa I can get up against you.
A bit my banasa. Said the way we build the fight near Abia, no, it looked like Kumasi and Accra.
Then see here, and then I'm
even my ring walk. You know, my ring walk me deba a stage in minim say okay.
Traditional.
Yeah, it's a traditional. You know, me show say baby I'm free and I'm proud of it. Yeah. And this is a great opportunity say a match room. Say make a match room. It's more than like 2 million people subscribe match room. More share. So let my main my friend is say
Tom call
challenge to the people. Not say I'm here to against any trap to say sebio gan and I say bibi etesa name me fasa kwanya way so to sell my culture to other people munim say sebi Ghana and I say Asante yeah what bibi fefe dey to say now they finding the funny part is say me drew ring and I was shocked. I saw referee the referee Bano, right?
Roger Bano.
He's a gun. He's from Ghana, Bokum side community, right? And I saw some judges, like 2 or 3 judges, they are also from and yes, Bokum, but they do more activities in Bokum. Okay. Even Roger Bano, he was looking for president, GBA president, right? So, and if this fight become more about Kumasi and Accra, do you think if you don't knock the guy out or if you don't do more than what people expect from you, it's definitely not going to go on your way? I'm not using that as an excuse. Never, 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 never. No, I'm not using that as an excuse. I went there and I did what I did. I know I'm going to beat this guy up. And I did that. I beat him up. I did that. They have to hold him up to work. He was sitting somewhere like a Obia homeless. I was a challenge. My brother friend say, yeah, not in Ghana. Yeah. Jamie to me, Kasania. What I said. Many James so me bonus I bet they don't offer any problem offer bet no but the person me try say there's a level with this because the funny thing in Bokum is say at the hot right now say boxing made in Bokum and Bokum made boxing, okay. Right, which is for me maintiase. All right, the way say uko na say woni obi a ofi ho ekwa say tibia no be lose I saw more in the look, yeah, for bit to say Sabio, yeah, history kakra, PK poison, right? DK poison, Envelope free. I am said W or Penyah canon. DK poison, but envelope free. Asante region, right? And yeah, papaya or free soon, your friend say, oh. Nana, you credit me as a captain. Nana,
we have had a delay in 1960 Olympic Games.
Satana Bokomboy, Pacho. Miaminia as a Dobi. Pacho Ifano free.
In the Volta region.
Volta region. Joshua Boasti, Pacho Ifano free.
Yeah.
Pacho Atias. But if you doing most, and on say one idea day, what they are doing. And don't get me wrong, I have more respect for Bokom. Because Oma Swadien mama na day I say Pachawati ase Oma Swadien enyo omo a ebi kwa na kada do box I day ayera. So but I don't say Bokom because say box the way sometimes some of the Bokom communities the way they do even the weighing not the weighing
the face off name
not the face off public workout.
Okay, yeah,
the way the boys look, some supporters need to buy. Me do on be a bro sabi omu pieto de omu tunu echneme. De me papa kasa Phoebe the otiasie.
So you feel say even before the bout, the odds were against you. Sana wo kano.
That's the fact.
And what history be na if baby a
but captain, don't forget. Don't forget, say 3 or 4 years ago, boxing in Ghana was not like this today. I came back from UK and totally everything was changed. Kanokre, you was here.
Yeah.
Boxing was just only in Bokum and now boxing is everywhere. Why? I did that. I need my flowers and credit for that. Right. Let's be real.
Yeah.
Okay.
My from Kakra because I think
so according to Freezy, no, one can, and in fact, it is clear. It's a yanka. Freezy and Kaubia, Mubet Mark a candy mope, but one Kaubia. Because what can I? Yebusa, where I tell after match and say, a hemfana or cow no. O more mooding car, Cherry, Musa was seen a corn as a hand or car. Okay, aha. But on one casa so Edmonds have been seen in Hannah. That's it. Oh, when you do a vote today. Oh, when you do a vote, what does it? There wasn't any bite, and this is a pure daylight robbery. Chirawaj mami, ewo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!